What's up guys? Today I'm going to go over this little floral chandelier thing that I'm making. It's basically like a 4-inch wide rod basket that is a 6-foot diameter circle on the inside, and so we'll just go over a few things. It'll be a quick build and we'll go from there. So there's been a couple of parts on this little chandelier build that have, my calculations were wrong. Imagine that. I guess I didn't wear sandals or carry the one or something. I was just off just a little bit on this 1/4-inch rod. So I always knew that might happen. So I made a couple of extra little brackets, these little 4-inch by 4-inch brackets that I'm using as my spacer. And I've just kind of measured off where I've been like a 1/4-inch short, a 1/2 inch short here, and just cut it off, you know, like right here or however much it was, and just tacked it on and welded it, and then just gonna grind it smooth. So it's not too bad, it's not too good, but it'll get the job done and it'll help this wedding venue out. So I'm looking forward to it. The inner ring's in place. Now to tack on the other 3. So here we go with the final of the floral chandelier tray. Little 4-inch channel right here is meant for those green foam blocks that sit in, so she could put all the floral stuff around it. Let's see, welded some little catch hoops on there, and 6 foot diameter, 6'8" outer diameter. Fun stuff. Easy build.